Well, my name is Doug Snyder. I'm the Executive Director of Aviation for IOMAX USA, and this is our Archangel aircraft. This is a purpose-built ISR, armed ISR aircraft that we developed. It's built in Albany, Georgia, in the Thrush Aircraft Factory. We take delivery as a green aircraft, and then we take it to our facility in Mooresville, North Carolina, for integration and arming. It's developed by IOMAX with IOMAX proprietary tactical systems computer, IOMAX proprietary armament control systems, and it's basically built to fulfill the need for a light to medium attack coin aircraft, counterinsurgency aircraft, and provide close air support for ground troops. Has approximately 10 hours of endurance for a persistent ISR capability, so it gives you plenty of time on station. It's built ruggedly, as most agricultural airplanes are, but this is not a modified agricultural aircraft. This is a purpose-built ISR, armed ISR aircraft. We moved the cockpits forward approximately 40 inches. We eliminated the chemical tank and replaced it with a centerline fuel tank. It's a welded steel tube construction. I can deskin this airplane in about 30 minutes. I can maintain it in the field with about a 12 toolkit. It has a sophisticated integrated ISR package of the CMC Esterline Cockpit 4000, combined with a Sparrowhawk HUD that you can see mounted in the aircraft. It's all integrated for weapons delivery with a digital autopilot. Aerodynamic improvements: we've built a larger rudder for the tail to increase the directional stability. We designed aerodynamic improvements to include the wingtip modifications for improved aerodynamics. And I told you about the increased rudder. The aircraft is designed to fill the need for a rugged, simple to use, simple to maintain, cost-effective attack aircraft. It has the pod is built by IOMAX, the integrated sensor pod. It mounts the Westcam L3 MX-15 DI EO/IR camera system. We can carry a multitude of weapons, not just U.S. weapons, but also we are partnered with Roketsan, a Turkish company, which produces the Jirit laser-guided missile, 70mm laser-guided missile. We carry GBU-12s, GBU-58s, and Hellfire, all in use in production and being dropped off the aircraft today. The aircraft, we are delivering the first production aircraft actually as we speak. Well, it actually is, I wouldn't say it's replacing any aircraft. I would say it's filling a void where a capability does not exist. And that is a simple, effective, long-range, armed ISR counterinsurgency aircraft. This aircraft can take off with this weapons load you see represented here and fly for at least 6 hours. You can tailor the weapons load for an endurance of approximately 10 to 10.5 hours, which means you can arrive on station, remain on station, and prosecute the targets and without having to break to leave to refuel or rearm, which is if you are the ground commander, that's a very important consideration for prosecuting the battle. You don't have your armed ISET or your ISR aircraft having to leave during the middle of the battle because they're running out of fuel or they're going Winchester running out of weapons. We currently have orders for 24 aircraft, and we're hoping to make some announcements here in the near future for further sales. I would say the aircraft, I would place it in a target range between $8 to $12 million, depending on equipment that you would install on the aircraft, which places it as probably the most cost-effective coin solution today.